Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Mark here, and I'm back to do another review and unboxing of this year watch, and it's part of Citizen, and if you see the title, you already know what it is. And up chit chat, let's open it up. But also, let's see the barcode. Okay, hold on. Alright, and it's NB6025-59H. Anybody knows what that is? It's part of the it's part of the divers, baby. The divers. It's a dive watch from Citizen, automatic, and it's part of the Vucci Stupo. And it has a gray dial, PVD black. And if anybody know what a FUJIS, what is it? FUJITSUBO. What does that mean? So yeah, it's been around, it's been established since 1937, most respected performances of manufacturers. So yeah, and it's located around the district area in Japan. And they're responsible for motorsports, so yeah. And if anybody knows about the Fuji Subo, there's also a limited edition with a blue dial, stainless steel, and it's titanium, by the way. Titanium is light. That's right. I couldn't get that one, so for a % off, I got a Citizen. I got it. So I'm definitely gonna like this one, which I wish I could have gotten that one, but it is what it is. Let's open the top. Amazing protection. Yes, I do say so myself. And here it is. It's in a tank. Mini scuba tank, y'all. Had a little adjusted. Here's the tag with the link and of course where it comes with. They're pins. Whoa, oh yeah, the sticker that comes with the watch. Promaster Citizen. Scuba tank. Anybody knows about scuba tanks? Let me know in the comments. Whoosh. Woo, baby. Here we go, y'all. 200 meters and it's titanium. Citizen. That's not the right date. I'm going to put that in a moment. The arrow pointer on the crown. You're going to see a loom shot of this later in the vid. I got this during the holiday season. I got it for a good deal. So yeah, let's see how it is. And oh yeah, what's so special about this? A little something from Doxa. You can extend this and you can seal it back. You can wear that over a wetsuit. Damn. Pause that and read it. It's lightweight. It's lightweight. Alrighty, folks. now let's hear the ticker and we can check it out on the wrist. But let's hear the ticker. Now be quiet. Now be quiet. Now hear it on the speaker. Oops, kind of went off. Oh, rad. All right, now let's see it on the wrist. Hold on. All right, this is how it looks on the wrist, folks. And it is lightweight. It's titanium. This is how it looks on my 7-inch wrist. Like I said in some of my videos, I work out, I like to eat sometimes and such. But it's titanium and it's good. So yeah. And tell me, has anybody ever worn a titanium watch before? Let me know in the comments. So yeah. This is indeed a very good piece from the year of 2023. Citizen are getting up the ante on their games. Even last year, celebrating the 40th anniversary of the Aqua Master, or is it the Aqua Land? Yeah. But too bad it doesn't have any light. And that's so out quickly. Alrighty, y'all. In a few moments, we're going to be playing a music from 2023. Hold on, y'all. Hold it, hold it. Alrighty, what time is it? Music time. Like now. Let's go. Alrighty, folks, so all that out of the way and showing the view of this unique watch. That's titanium, that is. So we're going to be playing a song from 2023 from a group called The Hive, from the hit album, from their hit album, The Death of Randy Fritz Simmons, with the song called Focus Operandi. Operandi. Little term for operation. Enjoy, folks. That was The Hive with their hit song Bogus Operandi from their album The Death of Randy Fritz Simmons, released in 2023. Garage rock, y'all. That's the genre, y'all. So, folks, what do you think of this watch? What do you guys think of 2023? And also, what do you guys think of the brand Citizen? Those who have it, let me know in the comments as well, and the year of 2023. Well, folks, if you like content like this or any other content on this channel, please click the bell on the subscribe button to be notified of all new uploads. Like the videos, always appreciate the thumbs ups. Have any opinion related to the content or the year that the content was released? Comments down below. And also, I'm on the YouTube post. I often post whatever from links or products, whatever that is on the YouTube post. Check those out as well. And notifying anybody at the show time of the videos at that time as well, and it will also be notified. As well as when you click the bell, when you click subscribe, there's going to be a bell. You just click the bell to be notified of uploads. Whether it be videos, to tell you the show time, it'll be premiering, and of course, whatever I post on the YouTube post. So keep an eye on those, both daily and weekly, y'all. Daily and weekly. So yeah. And also let's give a shout out to the thing of ours, to the physical media collectors, the watch collectors, toy collectors, autograph collectors, travelers, bloggers, convention goers, heck, all you collectors out there, and especially cosplayers. Shouts to you all, kittens and dogs. And also, let's give a shout out to my subscribers. You know who you all are. Shouts to you all, kittens and dogs. Shouts to you all. So yeah. So y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Enjoy the last day of March. Enjoy Tuesday, y'all. And later. Gotta go, y'all. Gotta bounce.